getting ready to put our Stage 2 420cc ATV up against our monster truck, but we've been having some carburetor issues with the 34mm Mikuni from Go Power Sports. It is a brand new carburetor they are offering, and honestly, we are the first to be messing with jetting for the Stage 2 kit. So Ike has this handy dandy jet drill tool, and we are going to just tune it up so it'll run right and see if we can get the show on the road.
So this thing runs best without the air filter and without our muffler.
Yeah.
Which tells me that this carburetor is a little on the rich side. So what I plan on doing is I plan on closing up the orifice on the jet and maybe drilling it out to a smaller size. So how I'm going to rejet this carburetor is I'm going to take the jet out of the carburetor. I'm going to take a punch and I'm going to hit the punch with a hammer on the jet, which is going to shrink the hole down. Before I do that, I'm going to check the size with the drill bit, and I'm going to make sure I can always go back to that size. But when I shrink it, I'm going to drill it out to a smaller size. Easy peasy. Let's get it done. There's the jet. She has a huge orifice. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the jet size with my handy dandy tip drill set. I'm going to start with a .0550 drill. Let's see. It fits in there. It's kind of tight. I think that's going to be it. So what I'm going to do is try to shrink down that orifice. The biggest thing I'm worried about is damaging the jet. I'm going to go down, okay, so I'm going to go down 2 drill sizes. And watch it be too lean.
Said it feels more powerful than it ever has.
Yeah.
That's weird, but okay.
Yeah, good.
You were cooking when you went by.
I know, and you noticed it wasn't going.
Yeah.
It was smooth. So
So you think it's faster too?
Oh
So
yeah.
when you do the top speed run, but you're out there having fun, and all I can think about is like how loud it is, even with this muffler. So we need to come up with something, some better kind of muffler. And we've seen all your comments about the mufflers we can buy on eBay. We've just been so busy with going to Texas and cleaning up from Mini Mayhem and all that stuff. We just haven't done it yet. So in usual Cars and Cameras fashion, we're doing stuff same day with parts that we can buy from the consumer store.
Or I've got some Harley exhaust at the house.
Okay.
We can put a Harley muffler on this.
I'm down, dude. It just needs to be quieter.
Okay.
And yeah, and then we can get going on the comparison.
We can totally try it.
Let's give it a shot.
To the house!
Alright, so we're out here at Ike's shop. Since we have so many questions on it, dude, what are your plans for the Model A? When are we going to see it again?
Well, you're seeing it now, right?
Right.
I would like to continue on this, but it'll probably be after the Mustang and after a power tour.
Yep.
I would love to get this car running and driving and leaving it in the
Survivor
state, the
Yeah.
barn find state,
Yep.
and just make it a good driver. That's all I want to do.
Where-
Where do you find them
You don't.
in this condition?
Yeah, you don't. That's why
Yeah.
you should keep it like this.
Yeah.
So, Harley mufflers.
Yes, sir. I should have some over here up on the shelf. Pull it out. Whoop.
Nailed it.
Oh, nice.
This was probably on the Turbo Drift Track at one time.
You think so?
Maybe.
Oh, man. I got some Martini exhaust.
What does that look like?
What does it sound like?
A martini glass?
Yeah. I mean, it'd be cool.
You think it
but
would muffle very much?
Hello? I'm not blowing into this one. I think I'm happy with the exhaust on the Harley exhaust.
Yeah.
I say we go with it.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Alright, so our buddy Taylor has hooked us up. Can anyone tell us what kind of exhaust this is?
Time's up.
Mustang exhaust. What year?
2014.
2014.
Coyote. So this might be the only thing we have that'll tame down this 420. You can hear it coming out of there.
Yeah. Oh, it sounds pretty good.
Yeah,
it's got a nice deep tone.
It's so bassy, yeah.
But it's still loud. You put it on a V8 and it's going to be quieter.
Yeah.
I'm betting.
I don't understand why this is.
It's probably the single pulse.
Yeah.
Whereas you have like 4 or 8 pulses.
Yeah. Or even the 670 is quieter in this thing, dude.
Yeah.
We got a plan. We don't know if it's going to work. But we're going to try to mount the muffler just kind of as it sits to the body because it's really heavy. We just can't have it dangling. We're going to stuff our conduit into the end of the header and then in the other end going into the muffler, and then we're going to header wrap it all.
Over. Sounds terrible, but is welding good. Oh yeah, I like how it lifted it. This might not be so bad.
I hope not. We'll see.
Alright, dude.
Zap, zap.
Zap, zap. All we gotta do is zap, zap. And then wrap up with the...
Yep. Header wrap.
Header wrap.
Alright, let's give that a shot.
Alright. Now, I'm not saying this is the correct way to wrap it.
This isn't the correct way to do anything.
Yeah, but I do know that you're supposed to wrap this thing so as you're going forward, the wind goes over the wraps rather than blowing it open. So
makes sense.
Yeah, you want to give it a shot?
Sure. Yeah, let's hear it.
Okay.
How is it still so loud?
What, was this plugged off?
It's still loud with that plugged off.
I mean, it's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not ear piercing.
Right.
So I think we're probably okay. Like that at the last event.
Why?
You're out of gas.
You think I'm out of gas?
Yeah.
That seemed pretty sudden. Man, 28.2.
There's no way.
You want to give it a shot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got a knocker in neutral and pusher, I guess.
You think it's out of gas?
Oh, I know it's out of gas.
Oh yeah, it sure is. It's out of gas, all right. You see what happened?
What? Oh my goodness.
It knocked the darn carburetor off the intake. Holy cow.
Like it might be a little bit slower. I mean, is it possible that this is restrictive? You know what could be restrictive?
What's that?
The corrugated tubing.
That's true.
I didn't have that in before, and this thing felt like it was getting down, and right now it feels slower. I bet you that corrugated tubing is actually slowing us down.
Probably a little bit.
Yeah.
We need a more permanent exhaust solution. So I think our Predator 420 ATV with a stage 2 kit from GoPowersports.com is in a pretty good place right now.
38 miles per hour with quiet exhaust.
Quiet exhaust, Mustang 5.0.
Yeah.
We had to do some tuning to the 34 millimeter Mikuni carburetor. From here, I think it could use taller tires, more aggressive tires, pick up a little bit more speed with taller gearing from those tires. It could use plastics on it. So next time I think we're going to put this up against our monster truck go-kart that recently got an upgraded steering that needs to be completely redesigned already, and upgraded ATV tires. But before that, we are going to start off with the first Cars and Cameras Grand Prix lap of 2019. The Cars and Cameras Grand Prix is our performance benchmark for all of our projects. So basically, whenever we finish something, we modify something, we send it for a lap around the yard, and it goes up on our leaderboard. I will include the most notable performances from last year, and I'll toss this one in the mix for 2019. So rock, paper, scissors? What, coin toss?
I'm tired of rock, paper, scissors.
Tired of losing?
Okay. So you say heads?
Yep. I don't trust people who say tails never fails. It never seems to work for me. There's tails. Classic.
Did I win?
Yeah, you won.
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go! He gets down!
That was scary.
You were cooking, my dude.
What was it?
36.79.
Hey, that's about like with the go-karts. What's the...
The fastest go-kart is in the 28s.
I said like the go-karts.
Yeah.
Average. What was mine?
36.79.
What do you think yours was?
I don't know. It wasn't as bad as I was expecting.
36.05.
Yo!
You won.
Woo!
That
I
wasn't
think
bad.
I just took that first corner hotter than you did. Is
Yes,
probably
you
what
did.
It was.
You took that thing way hotter than I did.
Yeah.
What about over there?
I came to almost a stop like you.
Just like I did? Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
All right, man.
All right. First Cars and Cameras Grand Pre-Lap is done. Leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Did you have something to say?
Check me out at Isaac. It'll be fine.
Sounds good. See y'all next time.